It's averaging 141 to 143, 42 degrees. Right now, that's the pressures on it. 141.4, 614.7 on high, 31.7 amp draw. That's still 141, 142 degrees. Let me see the temperature inside. And this is normal setting. Still 79 sucking in. 54.3 degrees. 54.3. Just to make sure I got another one in here. It's on 55. So we're running good 55 degrees at 140th. 55 degrees. All this is being done with that top hat that cools the compressor and 2 canisters, and that's a Freon drum in testing that blowed in the Intertech testing lab at 141.4. And the water in the compressor, after all that running, fill it back up. She's still running about 82 degrees, around 82 degrees at 140.